Dark Arts, Zag Nif. Y'all know the name. Y'all act like y'all don't, but y'all know. Listen, the showcase of the immortal flow is brazen and I'm normal, no complacent on my laurels, never that. Y'all stole the greatness of our oral band, doing the raw check, no faces on the portal. Most the pages of the raw with gold notations for the quarrel. Molded greatness for the war and noble places on the mural. Procrastinations from the coral, old temptations in the rural. My war past, my motivation isn't for you. Y'all don't wanna see me on the record, embarrass your whole crew, leave them bleeding in the session. Brain cells vanish from the sequence of aggression. You sleeping narcoleptics, get a freebie to the heavens. Got them CDs for collectors, MP3s if you just checking. Nexus tapes as well as vinyl releases for depressing. Only rock with the greasy that's suspected, not the easily impression. I'm low key, so just accept it. If I rock with you, trust. It's always peace and we connected. I walk a hard road to follow. Bars, poems, and novels that scar foes with hollows. God flow, bravado, art shown. Picasso up a dark slope. Sharp blows is hostile. On pros are macho. Unadulterated masculine rap. New tagline, the passion is back. I could care less of followers who tag me on tracks. Cause when it comes to the bars, I'm better actual facts. Too many smug faces who hug waves and a month later, you bums taking on rough pages. Frustrated, I upgraded the plug data. The dialect of the noble will get you cut bladed. Us hating, nah homie, you dust faded. Rappers scared to jump on the track, get crushed flagrant. Witness untouched greatness. Shouts to killers in the bin who give us love gracious. None changes.
No opposition, no competition. I don't fuck around.